We've got a substantial snowstorm coming to Maine this weekend. Let's break it down. Temperatures will be extremely cold starting this event. This means we will have a drier, fluffy snow that does reduce the risk of power outages. Snow starts in southwestern Maine in the afternoon and moves farther north and farther east overnight. The heaviest snowfall will be overnight Sunday into early Monday morning. The Monday morning commute looks pretty tough. A good chunk of the state looks to see a foot of snow or more, but in general, the far north you are, the less snow you'll receive. Isolated higher totals possible in areas of York County and the New Hampshire seacoast. This is a pretty long duration storm too. It'll be snowing throughout much of the day on Monday, though a bit lighter. Stick with us this weekend. We will have special storm coverage Sunday night through Monday.